Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kosh at Mangeko 0. Taking a look here at Ripple, just real quick, if you haven't watched the Bitcoin video, I'm going to reference in here this Gann time cycle that terminates around March 21st. And make sure you check out the Bitcoin video because I go into that a little bit more about how Bitcoin and cryptos in general have performed around March 21st and why that seasonal date is important. But anyways, getting into Ripple, really don't have to spend a lot of time on this chart because, Ripple confirmed an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout on Sunday, but just like on Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're just not seeing a lot of follow through right now. And there's a lot of reasons why you should see a lot of follow through, but volume participation across the board in altcoins and in Bitcoin has dropped. And you can see that everywhere. You can see that in volume participation on exchanges. You can see that when you measure, social media interest has dipped. I mean, even, you look at our YouTube channel, it's just dipped. I mean, people don't like to participate or buy things until they have hit or are near all-time highs, which is the total opposite of what we're supposed to do, right? So when something in cryptos is trading at a 60, 70, 80% discount, instead of people getting excited about it, people are like, well, I'm not buying that, but they will line up at the door when Bitcoin gets to 60K. There will be a million bajillion people ready to buy it there, but not at 30. But for those of us, so if you are watching, what I'm saying is that if you're somebody who is watching these videos right now, you are somebody who's probably on the right path when it comes to an investor's mindset, because you're not a fair weather fan, you're not a fanboy, and we aren't either. This is something that we do for a living, and we are going to continue to talk about it even when the market is depressed. And anyways, I'm kind of babbling there. But Ripple, it confirmed an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout. Hasn't had any follow through. That doesn't mean it won't show up. But everything's sitting here very neutral. The composite index is flat. Optics bands are flat. The RSI remains in bull market conditions despite where it's at. The 2022 volume point of control, we're below that at 75 cents. The move here, if the bears catch on and if it decides to follow through lower, the next price level that it's going to test is 65 cents. That's near the 50% fib retracement and that high volume node. But then even below that, which I would anticipate if it gets down there again, it's not going to hold, that the next major zone that will be tested as support and will likely find a lot of resting buy orders is 50 cents. That's the 618 fib retracement. It's a prior 100% expansion. It is the lows. They're the last kind of major swing lows that we saw back in June and July of 2021. Same kind of zone that we saw back in late January of this year. So that's where I anticipate it going. As far as upside potential, $1. That's it. By the time we talk next Friday, if it's not next Friday, this Friday, if it's trading at $1, I'd be surprised. But otherwise, really 80 cents, 79 to 80 cent levels where I would see it topping out between now and Friday. Until there's more interest and risk on assets, we're kind of at the mercy of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. And holy cow, are they nothing. That's just a conflict that is really kind of blowing people's minds when it comes to the performance of the Russian armed forces, which unfortunately seems like a lot of them had no idea what was. It's just a very, very unfortunate. Yeah. Try to avoid political leanings here, but screw Putin. That guy's just really messed things up bad. But anyways, let's see. Ripple. Yeah, 80 cents is kind of where that tops out, and should likely see the highs being established, and that's it. But I think that pretty much does it. I don't see, I'm just checking my notes here. Yeah, that pretty much seals that. All right. Well, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.